BlackBerry licensee TCL Communication has launched a low-cost variant of the BlackBerry Key2 at IFA 2018 in the form of BlackBerry Key2 LE. The phone is priced starting at $399 and features less RAM, a slower processor, and a smaller battery compared to the Key2, which was recently launched in India for 42,990 rupees. It has a Snapdragon 636 SoC, a QWERTY keyboard, a fingerprint sensor mounted on the spacebar, and a full HD Plus panel. We got to spend some time with the BlackBerry Key2 LE at IFA 2018, and here are our first impressions. The Key2 LE has a rubberized back and a frame made out of plastic. The phone feels quite solid in hand despite that. The sides bear a brushed aluminium-like feel, and the rubber back enhances grip and feels premium. It sports a remappable convenience key through which you can access your favorite applications easily. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top, and a USB Type-C port is present at the bottom. The fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, and the setup process is also quick and painless. Face recognition is also supported, but we were not able to test this feature in our brief hands-on time. The keyboard itself is a downgrade from the Key2. BlackBerry has removed the touch capability, which allows for flick typing and using the keyboard to position the cursor. On a positive note, the keys are tactile and have a decent amount of travel. The keyboard also retains a speed key, which allows users one-touch access to their most used applications. The BlackBerry Key2 LE features a 4.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with an aspect ratio of 3:2 and a pixel density of 434 ppi. In a limited time with the device, we found the display to be satisfactory with decent viewing angles and vivid colors. The smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 636 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. There appeared to be no lag while navigating around the UI, and the app load times were reasonably quick. Other specifications include 32GB or 64GB onboard storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card, and a 3000 mAh battery with support for Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 standard. The Key2 LE runs Android 8.1 Oreo with BlackBerry's custom launcher on top. Security features on the smartphone include the BlackBerry Password Keeper app that helps users store passwords in a vault and generates secure passwords, as well as BlackBerry's DTech application, which allows users to manage app permissions. On the imaging front, it features a dual rear camera setup comprising of a 13-megapixel primary sensor with an aperture of f2.2 and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with an aperture of f2.4. On the front, the smartphone has an 8-megapixel fixed focus sensor. There's a dual LED flash at the back. The Key2 will be made available in markets including Canada, France, Germany, UAE, UK, and the US starting next month. The Key2 currently retails for 42,990 rupees in India, and the Key2 LE, if priced aggressively, could definitely make its presence felt in the market. Thanks for watching. We have a lot more IFA 2018 coverage, so please check out our YouTube channel for that. We also have the latest tech news, reviews, and features on gadgets360.com.